Picture this. 114,600 screaming fans packed into Mexico City's Estadio Azteca in 1986, all holding their breath as Diego Maradona leaped into the air. What happened next became football history, the infamous Hand of God goal that shocked the world. That same stadium, where legends like Pelé also made history, is now facing its toughest challenge yet. Right now, workers are racing against the clock on a massive $180 million renovation, but it's not going smoothly. There's heated drama over naming rights after a bank bought the stadium's name, angry VIP box owners fighting changes, and serious concerns about whether construction will finish on time. With less than a year until the 2026 World Cup kicks off, everyone's asking, will this iconic stadium be ready to make history again as the first ever to host 3 World Cups? This isn't just about seats and concrete. It's about saving a national treasure that's witnessed everything from World Cup miracles to Michael Jackson concerts. Let's look at what's really happening with this high-stakes renovation. This isn't just any stadium. Built in 1966, Estadio Azteca is the only venue to host 2 World Cup finals, 1970 and 1986. It survived earthquakes, hosted the Pope, and even Michael Jackson's record-breaking concerts. But now it faces its toughest challenge yet, a total overhaul for the 2026 World Cup. FIFA's strict rules. The aging stadium needed upgrades to host the opening match, so it's been closed since 2024. The resident teams Club America and Cruz Azul had to relocate, and fans aren't happy. The transformation of Estadio Azteca isn't just a facelift. It's a complete rebirth while honoring its legendary past. The most visible change? The seating capacity is jumping from 83,000 to over 90,000, which will put it back among the world's largest football-specific stadiums. That's like adding an entire small town's worth of fans. Gone are the days of dull concrete walls. The entire exterior is getting a high-tech LED makeover with massive digital banners that can transform the stadium's look in seconds. Imagine. Dazzling light shows synchronized with goals during night matches. It'll be like Times Square meets World Cup fever. Inside, fans will enjoy 2,000+ square meters of crystal-clear HD screens. That's about half a football field of displays. Every seat is being replaced with modern ergonomic designs featuring better legroom. No more numb legs during overtime. But some things never change. The touching tribute to Nachito, Club America's superfan, stays exactly where it's been since 2001. And that iconic volcano silhouette? It's being preserved perfectly, because you don't mess with a design that's hosted legends from Pelé to Pope John Paul II. While the renovation promises an incredible transformation, the project has hit some major roadblocks that threaten its tight deadline. The biggest headache? The VIP box wars. These premium spaces have been owned by wealthy individuals and corporations through 99-year leases, some dating back decades. Now FIFA requires these areas to be completely reconfigured, but owners are refusing to give up their exclusive spaces, even temporarily. This legal battle has already caused weeks of delays. Safety concerns are adding fuel to the fire. Construction unions report being denied access to inspect working conditions, raising alarms about potential corners being cut to meet the deadline. They're prioritizing speed over safety, claims one union leader. Meanwhile, the controversial $15 million naming rights deal with Banorte Bank has fans seeing red. The stadium's new official name, Estadio Banorte, feels like a betrayal to supporters who've called it Azteca for generations. With just months until the World Cup opener, these conflicts are creating a perfect storm. Every day of delays now risks embarrassing last-minute scrambles, or worse, Mexico losing its prestigious opening match altogether. Behind all the noise, delays, and drama, there's something bigger happening with Estadio Azteca. This renovation isn't just about fixing up a stadium for the World Cup. It's about showing the world what Mexico stands for. For millions of people, this place means way more than just sports. It holds memories, emotions, and history that families have passed down for decades. Grandparents still talk about watching Pelé shine here, and parents remember exactly where they were when Maradona shocked everyone with that goal. Now it's the younger generation's turn to create memories of their own in a stadium that's ready for the future. But updating a place like this isn't easy. How do you add all the new features without changing what people love about it? That's the real challenge. The people behind the project say they're not just building a better stadium, they're protecting everything it stands for. One person working on the site even said, "We're not just renovating, we're preserving memories." That says it all. This project is just as much about honoring the past as it is about moving forward. And if they get it right, Azteca will once again be ready to make history. The stadium's budget has become a financial roller coaster nobody expected. Originally estimated at $75 million, costs have more than doubled to a staggering $180 million. That's enough money to buy 36 luxury yachts. To cover this massive overrun, Mexico's government made a tough decision, taking out a 12-year loan for 2.1 billion pesos, about 15 million from Banorte Bank. Here's where it gets interesting. While the bank bought naming rights, hence Estadio Banorte, FIFA has strict rules. During the actual World Cup matches, all corporate names get wiped clean. It'll officially become Mexico City Stadium for the tournament. This means Banorte's expensive naming deal goes dark right when the world is watching. Financial experts are scratching their heads at this arrangement. It's unusual to pay premium dollars for naming rights you can't use during the event's peak visibility, notes one sports economist. Meanwhile, taxpayers wonder if this historic venue is worth the price tag as workers race to beat the clock. This iconic stadium isn't just concrete and steel, it's where Pelé made history, where Maradona cheated destiny, and where 50,000 fans once sang along with Michael Jackson. The Azteca has survived earthquakes and hosted popes, but can it survive modernization? The $180 million question remains. Will this blend of past and present be ready when the world arrives in 2026? We want to hear from you. Is selling naming rights a fair trade to preserve historic venues? Should tradition always make way for progress? Let us know in the comments below. For more behind-the-scenes looks at the world's most legendary stadiums, hit that subscribe button. Next up, we're taking you inside the new Future Stadiums in Progress 2025. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out other exciting content here on Giga Structures. We cover the world's biggest and most ambitious stadiums, skyscrapers, and mega projects. Got thoughts on Estadio Azteca's renovation? Do you think it will be ready in time for the 2026 World Cup? We'd love to hear from you. Share your opinions in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the most incredible engineering projects from around the world.